How many people want to master editing and content creation, but find themselves lost between programs and looking for a powerful tool that allows them to translate their ideas into reality? Today's creators are not looking for an ordinary program. They are looking for a powerful tool supported by artificial intelligence that isolates backgrounds with the click of a button, corrects colors, and automatically tracks motion to save time and effort. Most importantly, they are looking for cinematic touches and the addition of VFX visual effects with high technical quality in terms of FPS and resolution. All these extraordinary features come together in one program, which is the king in this field, Adobe Premiere Pro. This giant was developed by the global company Adobe, which is considered the #1 leader in the world. Adobe Premiere Pro costs around $26 a month, which isn't affordable for everyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly install and set up Adobe Premiere Pro step by step. Make sure to watch until the end because we're going to open the program together and verify that it's the absolute latest version. Let's get into it. You can find the download link for the zip folder in the description. This is my desktop and let's go. Right-click, create a new folder and name it whatever you want. I'll call mine anything and continue. First things first, we have our zip file right here on the desktop. We're just going to right-click on it and select Extract here to unpack all the installation files into a single folder. Now, let's open the extracted folder and look for the installation file. Before launching Adobe Premiere Pro, here's a quick look at my PC's performance. This should give you a good idea of what to expect during the tutorial. Let's get started. Choose your language. Then, click Continue. The installation process will begin and it shouldn't take too long. I'm going to speed up.
A few moments later.
Alright, the installation is complete and the program is ready to go. Let's launch Adobe Premiere. I've used it before and as you can see, I have old projects. Create our first project and quickly explore the interface where everything is before we start editing. As you can see, the interface opens up smoothly with no issues. I'll also show you some of the features of Premiere Pro. If you're already familiar with them, feel free to start. Now, to verify that this is indeed the latest version, let's go up to the top menu, click on Help, and then select About Premiere Pro. Right here, you can see the latest version number. If this video helped you out, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.